What's up? We're here at Evolve Tuning, or Evolve Injection as well. And we have every single car from the shop pretty much going all to the car meet, including the 240. So this will be pretty much the first official meet I go to in the 240, and I didn't post anything about it, so nobody knows. So we're gonna get everybody. Yeah, so right, yeah. So it's gonna be an awesome reaction, and I'm gonna film this experience and see what happens. So I think it should be fun. So who wants to say the lineup?
They'll never guess.
Okay, 240, RX-7, Supra, other Supra, and another Supra. So 2J, pretty much everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Train tracks?
Train tracks. Hold on. Angle, stance life. Oh my God, Alan, keep it down. You're so, can you keep it down? I think we have a thing for Toyotas. Da-na-na, da-na-na.
Whale!
It's a whale!
It's a whale!
This is nuts.
This is a 1995 Mitsubishi Celica.
Sweet! Are you David Patterson?
Oh my God, no. Stop, I'm camera shy, stop.
No.
Believe it or not, this was all blue at one point. Yeah, and then we finally, at one point, when we took the head back off, I was like, it's already taken off, let's paint it black. Like, and it looks so much better. So we ran into a Corvette on the way here. I was like, oh, please stop. Oh my God.
I rolled up on him like real quick, and then he just stopped.
Yeah. Well, he probably heard you go, shh.
Oh, okay. Also, it's David.
This is David.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
shit, David, man.
Nice
God
to
damn.
see you.
It's
Who's
David.
that dude?
Okay.
That's a weird name.
Where is that dude?
Oh my! Oh my God! Oh my God! David Patterson.
Oh my God.
Good to see you.
Oh
sir.
my God.
Finally get to
Are
meet
you
you.
Evolved Injection?
No, that's tuning.
No, this is tuning.
Oh.
Tuning.
The amount of smiles they see in all the 2J cars is unreal. People, when they go up to my car, they do this number.
Okay, I got you. Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh man, look at that, man. Did you just say?
That just made my week.
It just made go. What do you guys think of it?
It's badass. It looks like it was meant to be.
Good. It was meant to be. Thank God.
about
shut
time.
up.
It's about
It's
time.
about time.
Telling everybody else that like it was weird pulling it out of my garage and not out of a shop.
Yeah.
You know, because I seen it next to the Mustang and everything else. So,
How does it compare to the Mustang driving?
It's so different. I mean, and that's what I wanted. I didn't want it to be the same car. Well, that's why I did an inline 6 too instead of a V8. Because my drift car, I might do a V8 inline. So overall reaction to the 240, what do you think? Positive? Positive? Super clean. Hey, this guy parked next to me at the mall and Snapchatted it, and I was like, oh my God, somebody's parked next to my car. Because I parked all by myself with no one around. Okay, you're not gonna finish it?
Ew, it's a cube.
She doesn't like the cube. Oh, he's got the veil side kit. Oh. DK, where are you at though? What do you think?
Dude, 240, amazing. Amazing.
Yes. She found a Toyota Crown and the steering wheel like perfect size for you. Little itty bitty wheel. This is a lower juke and I like it. I think I scared people.
You did.
Oh, good.